A good Tuesday to all of you. It's February 9 at 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. I am a retired bank officer who started investing in the Philippine stock market in 2007. I started to do this daily stock market report last August. I reviewed the most active stocks in the PSE using technical analysis and also shared the latest news on these stocks and the PSE. Please join me as we take a look on the latest news on San Miguel's FB and the results of trading in the PSE. All of these here only in the February 9, 2021 Tuesday edition of the stock market today. But first, let's take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange. The PSE index gained 41.07 points or 0.58% with net foreign buying of 532.56 million. As for the market activity, 127 companies advanced, 104 declined, while 40 remained unchanged. As for the all-share index, the all-share index gained 17.36 points or 0.41%. As for the sectoral indices, it ended mixed. The financials, holding companies, and services ended in the green, while the industrials, mining, and properties ended in the red. The gainers was led by the holding companies at 1.48%, while the decliners was led by properties at 0.43%. Let's take a look at the most active stocks. Let's review DITO, ACEN, APL, BDO, PHA, SM, MBT, TEL, BPI, and Converge. Let me share with you the news on SMC, Food and Beverage Company from the business world. SMC plans transfer of hogs facilities to racers. The food unit of San Miguel Corp plans to transfer its nationwide hog inventory and facilities to local racers amid high retail prices of pork. In a statement on Monday, SMC's San Miguel Foods is looking to shift the inventories of its Monterey brand to local hog racers and allow them to supply the demand in their respective regions and improve biosecurity practices against the African swine fever. SMC President and CEO Ramon Ang said the company wants to give local piggery businesses an opportunity to flourish amid the coronavirus disease in 2019 pandemic and to entice other smallholder farmers to improve the hog industry. So this is, well, good news for San Miguel FB, no? FB yung kanyang stock code, no? And ang recommendation ni BDO Rumura is buy. Meron siyang buy rating for FB. Okay, so let's now go to the most active stocks. Okay, so now let's review first. Okay, let's review first DITO. Okay, DITO. Uy, profit-taking si DITO. Let's put up our indicators. Now, I use the 20-day exponential moving average as a short-term indicator, the 50-day exponential moving average for my medium-term indicator, and the long-term indicator is the black line, which is the 100-day exponential moving average. So, nag-profit-taking si DITO, and our indicator, the short-term, is the 20-day exponential moving average, is right under the indicator with a bullish trend. However, nag-profit-taking siya today, although bullish pa rin siya. Pero if you take a look at the RSI, it's overbought at 73, and I see here a bearish divergence. Meron siyang bearish divergence. Ibig sabihin, in the coming days, there might be a decline in the price of the stock based on the RSI. Because yung kanyang pag-akyat ay not as much as the surge here on January 5, no? Yung pag-akyat niya dito. No, so much lower yung kanyang akyat noong February 8. Okay? In the meantime, the support level of DITO, I could place, or we can plot it here sa 1380. No, yung ating support level for DITO. Then let's take a look at ACEN. Okay, ACEN, tingnan natin. It is a requested stock kasi, no? Ang nag-request niyan, I see, let's see, acknowledge natin. This was requested by Rolando Pancho. Okay, ACEN. Beginner po ako, sir. Pwedeng pa-review ng ACEN. Okay. So, ACEN had a red candlestick. So, weak yung kanyang candle dito, no? And just like my review yesterday, it's moving sideways. So, nagkaroon siya ng, well, shall we say a breakout here? Pero right now, it's consolidating. In the meantime, ang resistance level ni ACEN, nandito siya sa 807 or 810. 810 yung resistance level niya, while 810 to 813. Pagka na-break niya yung resistance na yan, pwede pa siyang umakyat. However, ang tingin ko dito in the meantime ay nagpapahinga lang yung stock. And the foreign investor is bullish on the stock because there was net foreign buying on ACEN today. Okay, so that's for ACEN. Okay, yung support nga pala, I'll place it at EMA20. EMA20 is at 705. And then the resistance would be at 813. So that's for ACEN. Then let's take a look at APL. Okay, APL had a recovery today, although the candlestick is 17%, no, Apollo Global, pero yung EMA20 pierces through it. So still moving sideways, and it's testing, actually this is the resistance level, yung 25, no, 0.25 or 25 centavos. And the next resistance level, pwede niyang i-test itong 42 to 43, yung next resistance level niya. Okay, so that's for APL, no? So, dito lang siya nagmo-move within this level. Yung support level niya, let's place it at EMA 50 at 18.5 centavos. Okay, so that's for Apollo Global. Then, you notice yung first three second liners yun, no? Hindi index stock yung nangunguna sa most active stock. And this is for the past few days already. Then BDO. Okay, BDO. Uy, BDO continues to move higher, although this is still resistance. So 111 to 112 ang resistance. Pero yung next resistance level after this will be 115. 115.3, 115.2. Yun yung next resistance level natin. And it continues to move sideways. No? So yung head and shoulders, hindi tumuloy. No? Nag-bounce siya. So up and down, up and down. So the thing in BDO is that pwede kang mag-range trade dyan. Yung primary resistance mo is at 100, while the primary support is 100 and the primary resistance is 115. So, buy at support, sell at resistance. So, pwedeng ganun ang gawin. But after that, the next support level, or the resistance level rather, would be at 25. Yan yung target price ko for BDO, 25. Short term lang yan. Pero, meron din akong long term kay BDO. Okay, after that will be PHA. Okay, PHA. umakyat pa rin si PHA. No? Kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang akyat niya, and the candlestick is generally upward because the position of our indicator is under the candlestick. All the three, no? Yung orange, blue, and black line, which is our short, medium, and long-term indicator. Also, our RSI is showing bullish signs, 65.71. In an RSI between 50 and 70 is a bullish number. Okay? So, yung nearest level na pwede nating tignan, the resistance would be at 3 pesos. Yan yung pwede nating level na tignan. And the nearest support, let's put the support at EMA20 at 2.31. That's our nearest support. Okay? Then SM. SM, ito yung one of the, well, it has the largest market cap in the index and in the PSE. Okay, moving sideways pa rin siya, although this is a very good recovery from a flat price or flat closing yesterday. It moved up 3.53% or 36 points, which is medyo malaki for SM. And it has been moving up and down for several days since November, no? Within this band lang, si SM. If we'll draw a Darvas box, ito yung movement ni SM. Yan, yung general movement niya. No? Upper level is 1,094 and the lower level is 982, which will be our resistance. So, dyan lang, ano? In general, it's moving sideways, and if you want to do range trading for SM, yun, perfect yung time ngayon to do range trading. Although nasa gitna siya, no? Nasa gitna siya nung presyo. Pero pwede pa rin yan. Computin nyo lang yung risk-reward ratio nyo. Kailangan 1 is your risk, 2 is your reward. No? At least 1 is to 2 yung reward ratio natin when we range trade or when we do our trading. Okay, then MBT. Okay, kay MBT, nag-stop yung price, ano? Hindi tumuloy yung kanyang breakout, but this appears to be a consolidation of sorts, no? Although this is just one candlestick. So, nag-breakout siya the previous day, pero nag-profit taking, pero nag-hold yung price dito sa mataas, ha? Nag-hold siya. It opened at 49.80 and it closed at 49.60. Kaya red yung candlestick dito. So in the meantime, the nearest support or the nearest resistance would be here at 51.72, yung Metro Bank, ano? While the nearest support, I would say lagay natin dito sa EMA 100, yung 44.90 will be the nearest support for Metro Bank. Well, Metro Bank is one of the more stable and stronger financial institutions in the index. Then, let's take a look at TEL. Ang TEL is a leader in telecommunications. Matagal ng kumpanya ito. Oops, it ended with a reverse hammer. Si TEL, no? Not a shooting star, pero reverse hammer kasi green to eh. Pero, general direction is sideways. So, I would say na TEL is not really moving well. Sideways yung movement. And alam nyo, the longer the consolidation, the larger the breakout. So, right now, I would say that the support level will be here. Lagay natin dito sa 1335, yung support level ni TEL, while the nearest resistance nandito siya sa 1461 to 1462. Just moving sideways. Then let's take a look at BPI. Okay, BPI. Oops. Tumataas pa rin si BPI, ano? And well, it had 5 successive green candlesticks, which is a good indication that there is a trend. Tingnan natin yung directional movement. Well, appears to be moving sideways, but our exponential moving averages, or yung moving average natin, are right under the candlestick. So the next resistance level that we have to watch would be at 89. Pero ang target price ko po dito is 92. Meron po akong BPI for short-term trading. 92 po yung target price ko. And finally, we have Converge. Okay, Converge. Uy, Converge siya. Continues to move higher. Pataas si Converge. Nagpahinga lang siya ng isang candlestick dito, tapos tumaas yesterday. Then it continues to move up, although there is a long wick here, no? So tumaas siya as much as 1932, pero sellers overpowered buyers, meaning nag-profit taking siya. Kaya meron siyang wick dito. Pero it's still a green candlestick because the closing price is higher than the opening price of 1812. So it gained 0.6 or 60 centavos today. Okay, what I can do is plot the support area, which is nandito sa 17, 1710, 1714, 1712 ang support area natin for Converge. Yan po ang ating stock market report today, Tuesday, February 9, 2021. This is Benji Chodoro. Nagpapaalala, mag-ingat po kayo sa scam. If it is too good to be true, it's not true. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you again in our next episode. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Salamat po.